In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can find Facebook Marketplace if it's not showing on your account. So sometimes what you'll notice is that Facebook Marketplace will not show on your account, so I will show you step-by-step how you can find it if it is missing. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our Facebook app. Once you open up the Facebook app, what you will now notice is that Facebook Marketplace is not showing on my bottom bar there. If I head over to this page, Facebook Marketplace is also nowhere to be seen on this page. So what we need to do is, if we are on our home page, you need to click on menu, click on the three dots, and then you want to make sure that you select your main account. Now I will click on my main account. Once I select my main account, as you will notice, Facebook Marketplace does show down there at the bottom. If I click on menu, it will then also show on the menu page. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on your account.